A new study has found that COVID-19 patients who are overweight or obese are more likely to develop a more severe infection than patients of healthy weight, and they require oxygen and invasive medical ventilation more often, reports ANI. The findings of the study were published in the journal Diabetes Care. While obese people are at a higher risk of developing a more serious infection, there is no increased risk of death. These conclusions, for which more than 7,000 patients were studied, appear from international research in 11 countries, including the Netherlands. The study, led by Australian researchers, examined over 7,000 patients from 11 different countries who were admitted to 18 hospitals. Of this group, over a third were overweight and almost a third were obese. COVID-19 patients with obesity require oxygen more frequently and were 73% more likely to require invasive medical ventilation. Remarkably, no greater mortality was observed in these groups of patients than in patients of healthy weight. Immunologist Jeroen Bekkering of Radboud University Medical Center, principal investigator of the Dutch part, explained that never before so many different data on obesity have been combined in one large study. Several national and international observations already showed the important role of overweight and obesity in a more severe COVID-19 course. This study adds to those observations by combining data from several countries with the possibility to look at the risk factors separately. Regardless of other risk factors such as heart disease or diabetes, we now see that too high a BMI can actually lead to a more severe cause in corona infection, Bekkering said. One explanation for this is that overweight and obesity are characterized by chronic inflammation, which can perhaps lead to increased susceptibility to viruses. This is also the case with the flu virus. Also, obese people are more likely to suffer from shortness of breath, which may lead to an increased need for ventilation. More risk factors emerged from the study. For example, this study, similar to other international studies, confirms that men are more likely to have a more severe cause of COVID-19 infection. In addition, this study also shows that people older than 65 years of age needed supplemental oxygen more often and are at greater risk of death. Cardiovascular disease and pre-existing respiratory disease may be associated with an increased risk of in-hospital death, but not with an increased risk of using oxygen and medical ventilation. For patients with diabetes, there was an increased risk of needing invasive respiratory support, but no additional increase in risk in those with both obesity and diabetes. There was no increased risk of death. News Desk Kamuthi, English.